Hey everyone, I'm Janelle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to tie a raya knot. This is the knot that I like to use to put my fringe onto my woven wall hanging. So let's get started. Tying a raya knot is super easy. I'm going to show you a couple of examples. This one is going to be with 7mm cotton string, and we're going to work on 2 strings at a time. So I like to basically place my piece of fringe over top like this, and we're going to work on these 2 strings. So I'm going to wrap the right side around and in between those 2 strings. And then the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. Then all I'm going to do is line up those ends like so, and then pull it down. And then you can just sort of adjust it to sit how you want it to sit. And that is a raya knot. Another example of one of my go-tos for fringe is Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick. And I like to use 3 strands. This is when I'm using a 4 ends per inch loom, and it's gonna be the same process. So I'm holding all 3 strands. We're working around these 2 strings now. And again, we're gonna go on the right side, pass it the right-hand side in and through the middle, and then do the same on the left, in and through the middle, line up all the ends, and then just simply pull down that fringe grouping. Check out this video next. This one's gonna help you figure out how long your fringe should be for your woven wall hanging.